Hello everyone, welcome to another Ballet 4 tutorials. I'm Yelena and today we're going to be learning a short ballet choreography. Before we get to the choreography, why don't we have a quick look to how it's going to look like with music. Okay, so today we are going to have 4 different steps before we get to the entire choreography. We are going to learn to do contre-temps. I'm going to go over pas de bourrée on the midpoint, balance en tournant, and also we are going to talk about this arabesque that we did without piqué and without topé. Okay? So the first thing that we did, it was from a coup de pied plié, pas de bourrée. Right? So let's put arms on your hips and let's just focus how foots are gonna look like. So demi-plie, right leg is on the back, step in 5th position and pas de bourrée. Now the leg that is on the back is the one that is going to do the tac, 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 tac. And by doing that, we then move. So your front leg bends a little bit, but not too much. It's the one on the back that's gonna give you the tick, 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 tick. Now, if you're going to move towards the left side, your left leg is going to be on front, right leg on the back, and goes tick, 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 tick. Very little movements. Yeah, did you hear that? Ticky, 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 ticky. That's exactly what I want you to do at home. Now we can do it to the other side as well. And as you notice, we move towards the right side. Which leg is in front? Right leg. And your left leg is the one that ticky, 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 ticky. But we still have to keep the 5th position, cross legs, okay? Awesome. Now our second step, that releve that we did, pas de bourrée, and the only thing that we did was to lift that leg on the back. But you need to trust that your body weight is over those toes of that supporting leg before you lift your leg on the back. You're going on fast, you're going to face where we were moving, and with control, just lift a little bit and try to stay as long as possible before doing tombé to repeat everything to the other side. Now, let's do that releve with balance arabesque towards the right side. We go pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. Turn facing the right side, hold it and transfer your body weight over the toes of the supporting leg and pass through a 1st position before doing that tombé. Awesome! Okay, we have 2 more steps to go. Balance en tournant. So basically the count, musical count is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you have done balance to the sides, it's very like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, balance en tournant. We are going to begin our first balance with left leg in front, pass through a 1st position, and goes 1, 2, 3 and goes 1, 2, 3. It's basically passing through a 2nd position. There is not coup de pied, it's just 1, 2, 3. Now it's a little bit coordinated, so let's do it correctly. Arms on your hips, no arms coordination. Extend your left leg in front of you and we are effacé, facing the left diagonal in front of us. We're going to plie, Right leg pass through first position and goes releve, releve, turning towards the back through the left side. And plie. And again, left leg to the back, left leg step, 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's balance and turn. It's just a little bit faster, but simple. Let's do it again. Just this time, a little bit faster. 7, plie. 1, 2, 3. Left leg to the back. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So that just leaves us with one more step before we can learn the entire choreography. How exciting is that? Our next step is contretemps piqué arabesque. There are a few different steps all mixed together, but the most important one, because it could be the more challenging one, is the contretemps. So let's say we start with right leg in front, croisé, releve. Now, this leg that is on the back, your left leg, you're going to do plie. It's going to open to your side, comes forward. Now you step with left, petit développé with right leg, and we do first arabesque. That leg, avoid doing a big round jump, okay? It's just open to your side, comes in front, and then, so just half of a round jump, just half. So 1, 2, ba. And that's it, that's contretemps piqué arabesque. It's like 3 steps together. Let's do it to the other side with right leg on the back. Demi plie. Open your right leg to the side, run in front, step and petit développé. In this choreography, this short choreography, we're only going to do it towards the right side, but it's always good to know how to do it to both sides. After all, we have 2 legs. Okay, that's it. Go back, practice the steps by yourself, because now I'm going to do it with the choreography. Okay, so to begin our choreography, we're going to face the right diagonal in front of us, and we're going to move out of the stage, so basically out of the center of the stage. Effacé, so facing that right diagonal in front of us, left leg is on the back, hands on your hips, no arms coordination yet. Now you're going to do demi-plie, so that left leg goes petit développé, tombe coup de pied, right leg on the back, and up. Pas de bourrée, 1, 2, 3, 4, face 5, releve 6, hold it 7, pass through a first position before doing tombe, and your left leg is on the back, and we're going to repeat the same towards the right side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, face 5, releve 6, hold it 7, and 8. Awesome, okay? You want to do that one more time? Okay, no arms coordination yet. So, effacé, classical pose. 7 and 8. Pas de bourrée, 1, 2, 3, 4, face 5, and hold it 6 and 7, plie and 8, and to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, face 5, lift 6, 7, plie and 8. Awesome. Let's keep moving. Now we have pas de bourrée sans tournant. So we finish by doing tombe, right leg on the back. We are going to open left leg in front and brush 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now my left leg is on the back. We're going to do chassé, plie, piqué. Simple as that. So only 2 en tournant, chassé, effacé, piqué, right leg in front, croisé, facing the left diagonal in front of us. It looks like a lot. Let's do it again. Tombe, open left leg and brush 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, chassé, petit développé, piqué, and stay there. That's easy. That's awesome. Okay, let's join phrase 1 and phrase 2. Classical pose. Effacé. 5, 6, 7, plie. Pas de bourrée. 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, tombe, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, releve, 6 and 7, tombe, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. We keep moving. From here, we are going to close to parallel position. We're going to do pas de bourrée to the back, step with right, classical pose, left leg on the back, and stay there. Now, let's do everything from the beginning with arms coordination. We are in classical pose, arms en allongé, 5, 6, 7, plie, brava, on 8. Go through your right side before it opens to a third position, and now we look at where we go. Next is just first arabesque, tombe, and repeat the same brava with a little bit of a polemon and a little bit of roundness on the arms. Look at where we go, and again, first arabesque. Now, balance en tournant, allongé, balance en tournant, left arm in front, right arm by your side. Open, chassé, breathe, pique. Pas de bourrée to the back, arms go up from 5th position. Open, 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 open. Same leg, same arm, same leg, same arm. Yeah? Okay, let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. And then we continue to the end of this short ballet choreography. Emphasis, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, tombe, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, releve, 6 and 7, tombe, and 1, 2, 3, left arm in front, 2, 3, chassé, breathe, pique, 5th position, and to the back, step, step, breathe. Awesome, so our second phrase we need to do with arms coordination because it starts with a port de bras. Once we finish here, we're going to breathe arms to brava, 1st, 5th, 2nd, and down. And goes 3rd position, change to 3rd position, up, open, and pas de bourrée towards the left diagonal behind us. We have right leg on the back, pique. Let's do that one more time. It's not that difficult, it's just new, okay? So we are in classical pose, and we are going to breathe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and pas de bourrée, right leg on the back, pique, right leg in front. That's it. Contre temps. Okay, so we have one allongé, change to a second allongé, and now we are going to do first position, first arabesque, tombe, and arms go open, 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 pique, and again the same, contre temps, first arabesque, we are facing the right diagonal in front of us. That left leg pass through a first position before doing tombe, pas de bourrée to the back, and a step, and a step, and a very small bow. And that's our choreography. Okay, so now we're going to do phrase 1 and phrase 2, legs and arms coordination, all together before we do it with music. We begin classical pose, effacé, left leg on the back, music 5, 6, 7, tombe, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, tombe, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold it, 6, 7, tombe, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Port de bras, 1, 2, 3, breathe, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, open to third, 1, change, and 2, together, up, 3, 4, paddle with a 5, 6, big, 7, go, counter down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and 7, 8. That was so fun. It's been quite long since I did a short ballet choreography. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. So next time I upload my video, you get a direct notification. Now remember that you can take live classes with me if you're interested. All of my details are going to be down there in the description of this video, and also you can write me here in my email. I'm going to see you in my next class.